AITA for refusing to help my parents financially after they supported my sibling way more than me. So my parents asked me for money recently and I said no. Now everything feels weird. And I can't tell if I'm justified or just being cold about old stuff. Growing up, they always said they'd treat us equally. But in reality, most of the financial help went to my sibling. They covered most of their college, helped with rent, and even gave money for a car later. While with me, it was always, we can't right now, or we have a lot going on. To read full, see in comments.